Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing the new headlights in the 6.0. I just got back from doing a few things, so we need to get in there. We need to wire up the pigtails for the DRLs, because y'all know we had those to where you could just plug and unplug them instead of having to cut wires and do all that kind of thing. So let's get in here. We will get those all wired up and get our new lights installed here in the 6.0. Alright guys, so I just finished this video. Headlights are in. They look sick. But I wanted to kind of throw in here at the beginning of the video, we're trying to hit 2,000 subscribers before my birthday, which is April 6th. So coming up here pretty quick, especially by the time this video goes up. But if y'all would, be sure to share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe, because like I said, we're trying to hit that 2,000 mark before April 6th. So if y'all would, I would really appreciate it. But anyway, guys, let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so we have our headlights that I just finished up yesterday. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and wire up our little quick connects that I had put on the original headlights. So I'm going to get these wired onto here. That way, if you ever want to take them out, you ain't going to be cutting wires and all that type of stuff. You can just unplug them and call it a day. So I'm going to go ahead, like I said, get these wired up, and we should be able to go ahead and get them in the truck. Alright, so I got this one here wired in with our plug and got it all in wire loom. Left some here to go ahead and tape, and the same thing down here. So I'll go ahead and tape probably from here or so all the way down to this little grommet, and then here I'll probably tape all the way up to the plug itself. That way everything looks nice. So I'm gonna run down here, grab some electrical tape, and we'll get these finished up. Alright guys, so I got the grill off already. Y'all know the drill. For 7/32 is what I'm using. That's probably like a 6 or 7 millimeter. But anyway, that clips along the bottom, y'all see there. So got those out. Those are good to go. Now I took a new approach here, and I took the big impact there. And if you're wondering what that's about, my lift is under there. I didn't want to get overspray on it when we were painting in here. So throw all these microfibers over everything. That way the powder doesn't get any overspray. But anyway, I took the impact here with an 18, and I zipped the 4 bumper bolts loose and just pushed it down. It won't come off because there's that brace right there. So I just loosened those, pushed it down. That gives us much more room up under the headlights, especially over here. So it gives us more room to work, because before, these screws down here absolutely sucked to get to. So I think I can just kind of push the bumper down some, kind of depress this plastic, and I mean, you can see I can get half of my hand under there. So much more room, but we'll get these old headlights out, get our new ones, go ahead and throw them in. I already have everything wired from before. That's this that I need to clean up, I know. And then where there's our ground, these run into the truck, and then my plug-in is right down there. So all I gotta do is put them in, plug them in, and we should be good to go. I'll test them, make sure that everything's right before we put it all together. But anyway, I'm gonna get these old headlights out and go ahead and start getting our new color match ones in. I did these like 2 years ago. I mean, they're, you know, clear coat's coming off the lenses, which I didn't clear coat these, but I could fix these if I wanted to. But the new ones are much cooler and they have clear lenses. So I'm gonna get these out of here, And well, probably put these in storage to have them for the next 6.0. But anyway, I'm gonna pop these off. The headlight bolts are the exact same as the grill bolts, so I'm gonna pop these out and get everything switched over into our new headlights. Alrighty guys, so here it is. Now you can see the clear reflectors already. They look good. I really do like these. So there, there they are. Now I will turn the DRLs on. The way we have these wired is, if y'all missed the video where we installed these, is in here in this fuse box there is an ignition fuse. I don't remember which one it is, but we did a fuse tap into that ignition fuse. That way all you gotta do, turn these on, hit key, just like so. No switches, nothing like that. Turn the key on, and there they are. So let me know what y'all think. What do y'all think about these down below? I think they look pretty killer. I'll step back here so y'all can get a little better idea. Yeah, so I like these. I really do. Y'all know it was the original plan when I got the original Yeti motors, was to do this, and well, here we are. So I got the other headlights I'm going to take to storage, like I had mentioned, but I also wanted to show y'all what I was talking about in the last video. So y'all see these now. Lighting wise, up here I have, turn these on, so I have switchbacks, and then up here I have LEDs and switchbacks in the bottom. So really nice setup, all white, and then this bulb is burnt. So eventually I might put an LED in that, and I might not. I might just leave it like that. And then back here in the back we have a color match set of tails with the same kind of deal going on, and these light up red. Y'all can kind of see. And then the third brake light, also color matched, also has the same kind of style going on. So pretty nice. I like it. Now I know it might look a little odd, being as they're color matched and the chrome bumpers and the grill and all that stuff, but I do plan to do a good bit of color matching on this truck. Actually, let me hop in here out of the wind and I'll give y'all kind of a little rundown of what I got planned. Alright, so I figured I'd get in here out of the wind. I don't know if y'all are getting any wind noise or not, but it's windy and it's cold. So anyway, what I had planned kind of to do as far as color matching is I want to color match these bumpers. Not these bumpers, because these are kind of beat up, but get some new bumpers, color match them, color match the grill, the cowl, maybe the wiper arms. I don't know. We did the wiper arms on the white truck, but I don't know if we'll color match those on this one, or if we might powder coat them a different color. I don't know. I kind of want to do chrome tow hooks in that bumper, and then the grill will have some chrome in it. Then mirrors, I want to get some chrome caps, or just get chrome cap mirrors. I need to figure out if I can buy just the caps or not, but I want to do a full color match mirror with the chrome cap, and then same thing on the door handles, full color match with the chrome pulls like the new Platinums have, full color match on the rear bumper, color matched bed liner. I think that would be I think that'd be pretty good for this thing. I guess that door over there's not shut. Anyway, that's some of the ideas as far as color matching goes. Those are subject to change. I don't, from day to day, I think, well, maybe this will look a little better this way, or look a little better that way, or whatever. Now I will say, this stuff's probably not going to happen like next week or next month or whatever, but this is all stuff that I would want to do. It's just I need to get to it before we tear this thing down to do like a big color match. Like pulling the door handles out, you got to pull the doors apart and all that stuff. But I either want to get the white truck going before then, or the 300. So both of those are up on the list. But with this truck, I need to get the lift done, the wheels and tires on. I'm trying to get those done before my birthday, April 6th. And today is the 8th. So got just a little less than a month. I want to get the lift on. Y'all know we got it powder coated a couple videos back. I want to get it on, get the frame painted, and get the wheels and tires on before then, and possibly even if we have time to tackle the AC stuff in this, which to do that we need to get some coolant, because I don't want to do a coolant flush when we do that, so we need to get coolant. I have a coolant filter kit for it when we do that, and then a few other things. So there's a lot in store for the 6.0. Just need to get around to it. So it's a little too cold today to be messing with the lift, so we'll get to that at some point. And the reason I say that is because when we tear it down, I'm going to paint the frame before we put the powder coated pieces on, and it's too cold to be painting today. So anyway, that's kind of the plans, and I'm going to try to powder coat the coil springs up front and a few other parts off of this truck, depending on what will fit in our oven. So that'll we'll have to see on that stuff. But anyway, I guess I guess that's probably going to be a wrap for today. Y'all let me know down below, what do y'all think about the headlights, even the tails and the third brake light. Let me know, what do y'all think about that, and the clears and all that kind of stuff on the headlights. But anyway, guys, like I said, I guess that's going to be a wrap for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed today's video or possibly found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.